Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called GetUpside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for GetUpside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, The Rideshare Hub. So I wanted to make this video super brief, super short, super quick. So there's a lot going on in the world right now. I know. There's a lot going on. I know it's very high pressured times that we're living in. I feel like 2020 is a movie. There's so much going on. Protests, riots, COVID-19, which people are really not even talking about anymore, but yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on in the world, and basically Uber and Lyft are stopping in cities that have a curfew. A lot of cities are imposing a curfew now. So just when we thought, I mean, let's not, you know, I don't want like to play victim because that's not what I'm trying to do at all, but I'm just saying, as Uber and Lyft drivers, because of COVID-19, we're not really able to, you know, get money, get a lot of rides with the coronavirus. And now there's a curfew going on. It might even be dangerous to go out and give rides right now. Heard some bad stories, I'm sure you all have as well. So I just want to get into the official announcement so you guys just, you know, we're all on the same page. So as you can see, CNBC.com, Uber Lyft suspending service in some cities due to curfew. So key points, you know, you could stop after the key points or you can continue reading, but basically it goes, protests continue across the nation in response, yeah, to George, you guys know, to George Floyd. Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash are complying with government orders and suspending some services during curfew hours. Some government officials have ordered curfews. So, So Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash are suspending operations in many cities. Protests continue across the US. Many demonstrations across the nation have been peaceful, but as we know, violence and looting has happened, which honestly I can't even, like, I feel like I've heard of lootings and stuff going on as like, you know, something I would only ever see in movies or read about in history, but it's going on right now. It's going on today. Like literally at this moment, there's stores being looted, which is nuts. As a result, some government officials have implemented curfews for residents. So Uber has suspended services in LA, Oakland, San Francisco, and parts of Minneapolis. Some cities have requested that we suspend operations completely, while others want to ensure Uber is available for essential services. I'm on the side with keeping Uber, Lyft, and, well, it's actually pretty tough because first of all, you know, the people who do have essential jobs, like if you're working at a grocery store or whatever, I don't know, hospital, you're an essential worker, you're gonna need a ride home, you know, and it might be more dangerous for that person to actually, you know, try to take a subway or walk home or bike home during lootings than it is to take an Uber or a taxi. So it's up for debate. Obviously, Uber decided they're just following local guidance. The food delivery service DoorDash will also pause in cities that have curfew in effect. So basically, if there is a curfew going on, I don't know how long this will happen. Maybe a week or two more, a couple weeks more. I'm not really sure. I know they have died down in some areas, the curfews, but you never know. It could go on for months. So just honestly, just when things were kind of getting, I don't want to downplay, you know, the George Floyd incident, but just when things were kind of getting back to normal, now it's not at all. So it's just, and we're all kind of shifting. So anyways, that's all I had for today's video. I just wanted to make this announcement just so everybody's on the same page. And comment down below if there's a curfew in your area, and if you're unable to, like, send me a screenshot if you can of your app, if like during curfew, like what it shows, because we don't have a curfew in my town. So I live in a small little town and there's no like riots going on here. But even though it is in a small little town, a lot of businesses did board up their windows. So yeah, you never know, I guess. So anyways, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there. Thanks. Bye.